Hello everyone, welcome to Spider e-learning. In this video, we will see how to create a new chart from scratch, how to plot studies on it, and some of the shortcuts related to this feature. So let's get started. After opening the software, we'll go to chart menu to open a new chart. For this, we see the first option, new by name, and the shortcut is Control N. We use this feature when we want to open any chart using any particular script like TCS, Reliance, or any other company. And the second feature, new from group. This is used when we want to open a chart using any particular group like Nifty 50 stocks. I want to see Bank Nifty stocks or any other particular group like Nifty IT index stocks I want to see. So this is used for this. And the third option, new NSE derivative. This is used basically when we want to open any chart of future and options. So for now we will use the first feature, new by name, Control N. Let's click here. This window will pop up. Here in this window we have a list of exchanges in this drop down. These are the exchanges I am subscribed for. I can see end of day data of these exchanges. Click here, and the box next to it is asking for a script code. So we can search any script code using the script name. Let's say I want Reliance chart here. I will type REL, hit enter. I'll use up and down arrow keys on my keyboard to choose the right option, then hit enter, again enter. Now we have a chart on screen. So basically this is an unzoomed format right now. I can type Z to zoom it and same key to unzoom it again. And I can do the same thing by double clicking on the script name where the Reliance is written. I'll double click there, again take my cursor there and double click, it will unzoom it. Now we'll quickly see what is where on the chart. So we'll start from the very top. In the top left corner we'll see the script name Reliance, and just after this there is script code. If this script code is starting from N, it means the chart you are watching is from NSC. If it is starting from B, then the chart is from BSC. And you can switch within the exchanges by hitting Control W, as you can see on the chart. And if you forget the shortcut, you can right click and come to this option, Control W, script from other exchange. Now after this we have LTP. This is last traded price or closing price in case of EOD softwares. So in live products like Iris Plus, Combo, MCX, currency, you will see this value fluctuating as uh, this keeps changing through the trading hours. After this, we see the percentage change from the previous close. This value will appear in red when the price is less than previous close, current market price is less than previous close, and it will show it in green when the current market price is greater than previous close in the percentage value. Now after this, if I want to see value of any particular candle, what I need to do is I will just take my cursor over there. I'll just need to hover cursor there. Okay, let's say I want to see this candle's value. Now I have my cursor here. I can look at the top right corner here where it shows this is 1st of December, Thursday. Open value is 2741.8 and high, low, close after this. And you can see a value in 0.00 above the date, that is cursor value on the price scale. It means it shows me the value where my cursor is located on the chart. And I can see the same value by enabling some setting. For this, I need to go to settings menu, other setting, chart global. Like you can see, we have already selected this. Show crosshair. Okay. I can deselect or select this. Like I have deselected it for a while. And when I click here, I don't see the values with it, date and cursor value. I'll go and select it again. There we are. Now I can see the same value. After this, now I need to see what time frame I'm watching. For this, I will go look at the bottom right corner DLY. It means this is the time frame I'm on. We are on daily time frame right now. I can click here and change the time frame by clicking on the uh, list here. Let's say I want monthly. I'll click on monthly. Now I have monthly time frame. I want weekly. I'll go to weekly, and I can directly use these shortcuts D, M, W, Q directly on the keyboard in order to change the time frame. Like I am just hitting D and the time frame has been changed to daily. And now we'll see how we can open time frame window also to see the smaller time frames. For this, I will go to the settings menu, set chart period, and the shortcut is Control I. We can click here or we can use the shortcut. Now we have this window here. Here I have multiple time frames for the intraday. 15 minutes, let's say I select. I can see the time frame here is visible I15. This means I am on intraday 15 minutes. When I am on 30, it shows me I30. Let's say I want any time frame which is not there on this list. Okay, I will type it here. Let's say I want 120-minute time frame. I'll type 120, hit enter. Now I can see I120. It means I am on 120-minute time frame intraday. And after this, we can directly click here daily for weekly, M for monthly, Q for quarterly, H for half yearly, and this N means combine N daily bars into one bar. N daily bars means when I'm on daily time frame, now I want to reduce the noise from the chart. Let's say I want these, I want to merge last 5 candles. Okay, I want to merge these 5 candles and see how the chart looks. So I'll just type 5 here, click N. Now I have a chart with last 5 candles merged into one. Okay, I can change the number as per my requirement, and if I want to go back, I'll just type D on keyboard or just click here daily. There we are. Now we'll see how we can change the chart type. For chart type, we will see some shortcuts. If I want to open bar chart, I'll just type B on the keyboard. If I want line chart, I'll type L on the keyboard. If I want to see open, high, low, close of line chart, I'll type L again when I'm on line chart. And I can type H on keyboard in order to see Heikin-Ashi candlestick chart. And now I want to go back to Japanese candlestick. I'll type J on the keyboard. This is how we select the different chart types. After this, we will see how we can scroll the chart on different levels. First, we'll see how we can zoom in and zoom out the chart. In order to zoom in, I can use plus key on my keyboard, and to unzoom, minus key on my keyboard. If you don't have the numpad, you can use plus key with shift. After this, we'll see how we can use mouse scroll in order to zoom in or zoom out. To enable this setting, we will go to the settings menu, other setting, chart global, and we can see mouse scroll equal to zoom chart is disabled. We'll click here, set. Now I can just scroll my mouse in order to zoom in or zoom out the chart. After this, we'll see if I want to scroll the chart sideways from right to left, I can use left and right arrow keys on my keyboard in order to scroll it sideways. And the same thing I can do with the mouse scroll if I have not selected mouse scroll equals to zoom chart. Now I'll deselect it, set. Now you can see I can scroll the chart sideways candle by candle by using my mouse scroll, and reverse mouse scroll will move me to the right side. After this, let's say you are not using a mouse, so you can just use keyboard control up and down arrow keys in order to increase or decrease the size of the candles. So that's it for now. Keep learning, keep earning. Bye bye.